એ હાલો રે હાલો,
માયકાવાણી ચાલુ થવાની છે. ના તારી છે ના મારી છે, માયકાવાણી આપણી છે. આ મનની બોલી છે, આ મનની બોલી છે. ના તારી છે ના મારી છે, માયકાવાણી આપણી છે.
આપણી છે.
ના તારી છે ના મારી છે, માયકાવાણી આપણી છે. આ મનની બોલી છે.
Maika Vani 90.4 FM.
Good evening, everyone. We are back from Maikawani with your favorite show दिल की सुनो. And आज हमने आपके दिल की सुन ली और आपके लिए लाए हैं एक शो centered solely about your hobbies, the thing that is closest to your heart.
हम उन चीजों के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जो आप मौका पाते ही करना चाहते हैं, बेशक वो गेम खेलना हो, कहीं पे जाके किसी से बात करना हो, या फिर अपने फोन पे घंटों इंस्टाग्राम या फेसबुक ताड़ते रहना हो. पर हाँ, बात जरूर करने वाले हैं उन चीजों की कि वो इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है. कुछ लोगों की काफी यूनिक हॉबीज होती हैं, कुछ शायद उतनी यूनिक नहीं होती पर इम्पोर्टेंट जरूर होती हैं. सो आज का शो सेंटर टू हॉबीज, सेंटर टुवर्ड्स योर हार्ट.
And I think हम सबकी ऐसी एक चीज होती है जो हम करते हैं सिर्फ अपने लिए, क्योंकि लाइफ में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती है जो एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर, पीयर प्रेशर या इवन फैमिली प्रेशर की वजह से वी आर ऑब्लिगेटेड टू डू. लाइक हमारे पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं, बट वी ऑल हैव दैट वन थिंग दैट आवर हार्ट टेल्स अस टू डू एंड दैट वी वी एक टू डू ड्यूरिंग आवर डे. जैसे मे बी कुछ वी आर गोइंग थ्रू एग्जाम्स और any bad phase, this is the one activity, the one thing that we always look forward to, that always cheers us up. And like for me particularly, I think it's doodling and writing poetry, and that has always been my go to. It helps me calm down and relax.
तो ऐसे ही हर लोग की अलग अलग हॉबीज होती हैं. मैं अगर अपनी बात करूं, मेरे को सबसे जो इंट्रीग करती है दैट इज गेमिंग. जब भी मेरे को टाइम मिले 2 क्लास के बीच में, मैं सीधा गेम खेलता है और सीधा कोई भी गेम
क्लास
मिले.
के बीच में, क्लास के ड्यूरिंग भी, बट
नो नो नो, नॉट
continue.
क्लास के ड्यूरिंग. ओके, लेट्स मूव इट. सो इसके अलावा भी काफी काफी हॉबीज हैं. जैसे मैं कुक करता हूँ, मेरे को जब भी मौका मिलता है तो मैं जाके किचन में, मम्मी का हाथ तो बटाता है पर उसके अलावा भी मैं अपना कुक करता है. और आई लाइक फ्यूजन डैम मच, तो मैं सिर्फ इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिक्स एंड मैच करके फ्यूज करके कुक करता है. और शायद एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात आपको जो बिल्कुल पता नहीं होगी, स्नेक्स. आरजे प्राची लाइक्स स्नेक्स. और यू नो, स्नेक्स उसके इतने क्लोज टू हार्ट है कि वो उसके हाथ पे भी है, बिल्कुल क्लोज टू हार्ट. और you won't believe she is planning her own band. Just like Guns N' Roses, she's planning Brownies and Snakes.
My two favorites, like come on, that's perfect.
See, I told you, right? Two favorites combined and proper third hobby you get. So ऐसे ही कुछ चीजों को कंबाइन करके, कुछ चीजों को सोलली उठा के हम छोटे छोटे टाइम को अपने लिए पूरा जीना चाहते हैं. जब हम वो कर रहे होते हैं तो हमारे सामने और कुछ नहीं होता कि कुछ और आ रहा है, कोई और प्रेशर आ रहा है, कब कुछ एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. तब सिर्फ तुम और जो तुम्हें करना पसंद है. दैट्स योर टाइम, दैट्स माई टाइम एंड योर टाइम. लेट अस वेलकम साक्षी शर्मा. Hello, Sakshi, or shall I say
Hello.
crafty Sakshi?
Yeah, whatever you want.
So, how are you? How have you been?
I'm great. It's really chilly over here. It's like around 8 degrees.
And how are you both?
Yeah, nice.
We're
And
great,
Prachi,
we're great.
मेरे यहाँ
Sorry
पे
for my
थोड़ी ठंड कम है.
internet connection. I just lost the connection for a bit, but I'm back.
मेरे यहाँ ठंड थोड़ा कम है, but yeah, overall manageable. चलता है.
So let's start with your introduction as to what do you do right now, where do you stay, and just brief us on your background.
Yeah, so currently I'm doing my MBA. I'm in first year of my MBA and I'm doing it from NMIMS Bangalore. And currently I'm at Punjab, but basically I'm from Himachal Pradesh, mountainous area. So yeah.
And I guess
That is
I don't
beautiful.
know whether you know that or not. I love mountains. I guess we spoke about that in previous show. I like to travel and also mountains are one of the greatest travel destinations.
Exactly.
Chalo, we'll go one day soon, post pandemic.
Exactly. Waiting for the day to come.
So exactly,
Uh,
we just showed our people, like you have already seen the hobbies, the things that she is making. Now let's get into a bit of detail into that. थोड़ा सा डिटेल में पूछते हैं कि साक्षी अब बता exactly hobbies के बारे में कि कैसे मतलब what are your hobbies basically regarding these things.
हाँ इसी के अराउंड घूमना है ना. Okay. So I'll have to tell what all I make.
Exactly, like what all you make, that will be enough.
Okay. So basically, I started making soaps, after which I also made earrings like the ones I'm wearing right now, handmade necklaces, jewelries, which I don't think would find anywhere on this earth. That's something unique. And also now I have started making frames and customized nameplates for my customers. And it actually started by just a hobby, but after some time people started giving me orders and they started paying me. So I just thought that why not just take a step forward and take it to another level.
that is
That's so
brilliant.
great.
I would really like to have one of those earrings, by the way. Yeah, we leave your Instagram or any other account description in the bio itself. So I'm sure some of the viewers who must have seen the art and who must have seen the beautiful earring you're wearing right now, they can contact you.
I would definitely recommend
Yeah.
go check out the page and yeah, see, you will find great stuff out there. Just order her. Just so moving on, Sakshi, you said that yeah, you started somewhere, right? Started with soaps. So what was the thing that inspired you to get into that? Like क्या क्या लगा कि सोच के कि चलो अब इसको बनाते हैं. उस टाइम पे क्या thinking था?
Yeah. So, we have a lot of troubles in our lives. There are several phases of sorrow and sometimes joy as well. So, I always feel that whenever I'm in some worry or whenever I'm sad, so this is something that, gives me pleasure and joy. So, what I do is, even if I'm feeling bad or maybe I have got very low marks in my subject, so what I do is I just pick up a paintbrush and a paper and just start doing whatever I want. And the best thing about this art is that within fraction of seconds you will just get out of this world and you will go into your fantasy world and you will just forget whatever is going around you. So that is the best thing about it.
That's so
The true
beautiful.
meaning of Dil Ki Suno.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm sure that at some point when you must have started with your journey for art, you might not have excelled in it as much as you do right now, right? So I have noticed many times that whenever someone is just starting something that they like, they are not necessarily as good at it, and this usually demotivates them. So what was your take when you had just started this journey, and how did you ensure that you stayed consistent through it?
Yeah, so all I want to say is there are several ups and downs, and many times you feel that, okay, let's just forget about this and concentrate on your studies, as all of our parents say that इससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. So, but I think, yes, sometimes I even thought the same. But as I told, whenever I get sad, so I do this thing. So sadness comes to me every second day. That is not a big deal. So
More.
by this or by that, I sometimes wake up at 4 o'clock and start doing all this. So I think that is something that, due to which I was consistent in my art. And also, if you love something, you cannot stay away from that thing from a very long time. So that is something that made me consistent.
That was beautiful.
That
Like
is wholesome.
genuinely, I think, yeah. And I think Aniket must have something to say on this point, if I am not wrong.
Okay, so exactly which way are you pointing out? I am not getting that. There are a lot of things I do. Okay, so which
The
way
part about
exactly?
not being good at things. So there's one thing that Aniket is definitely not good at, but he will just not stop doing, and that is singing.
Okay,
Like
I'm
the
gonna
one
stop you
thing that
right
I
there.
wish
Okay,
would demotivate him.
okay, I would stop you right there. Just don't pick up my singing. Just don't. Okay, others don't. I
Okay,
won't. Okay. I won't go that way. Okay, that's better.
okay. Coming back to Sakshi. So, okay, there's one more question that we'd like you to answer. As to, given that I think everyone is, even you are doing an MBA, and given that we know how hectic the schedule can be, how do you ensure that you take out your time for that and
In spite of
uh,
such a time
just
crunch,
exactly?
like we know that we students don't have that much time even to just sit back and relax, and you are doing such beautiful stuff. So how you actually make out the time for that?
Yeah. So one funda that I use is, I don't throw myself into unproductive things or sitting somewhere having gossip sessions and all. What I do is that I take out time from little things. Like if I am studying, so I'll take out 10 minutes from that time. If I'm doing something else, I'll take out 5 minutes. In this way, I at least take out an hour per day to make these things. And since these things need a lot of time and the eyes just start paining if you are doing it consistently. So the best thing is that I just give some hours of my day, not like sitting for proper 4 to 5 hours and just doing that work. And since I love this, so I never even feel bad or I never feel exhausted by doing this. I just want to do all these things again and again, again and again. And also, like, food is something that, even if you don't have time, like you gave the example of MBA, you will still eat that food, right? So same is the case with this. Even if you don't like this thing, or like even if you don't have time for all this thing, you will have to take out time because this is something that you love. And like you cannot live without food, like Modak being a foodie. So same is the condition with me. I cannot live without my art.
That is
So
beautiful.
that is wonderful. You know what is food is for the body, and the hobbies are the food for the soul. That basically translate like that. So जब भी जो भी तुम काम कर रहे हो, आई गेस साक्षी तुम यही कहना चाहते हो कि जो भी काम कर रहे हो जिस पे अपना दिल लगे उसको दिल लगा के करो, उसको एज एन ऑप्शन मत रखो, उसको परस्यू करो, दूसरों के प्रेशर में आके उसको साइडलाइन करके दूसरे काम करो, नो, दूसरा काम करो जो खुद को अच्छा लगे. Am I right, Sakshi? I guess some network issues.
That is understandable. I think that is the phrase that I have used the most in 2020. Sorry, I'm having network issues.
Same,
So
right?
that is understandable.
And I'm not
Um,
gonna tell ki where it's being used the most, but yeah.
it's justified. The only thing I'll say is that my usage is completely justified. And we are back. Great. So Sakshi, like to wrap up our show, I think I'd like to request you to give our viewers a takeaway or a message regarding pursuing hobbies that you think will inspire them. And what is your motto about this?
Okay, so what I would like to say to everyone is that if you love something, if you like something, if there is something in this world that gives you pleasure and happiness, so just don't think twice. Do it right away. Even though you might face some struggles, there may be people, even I face several people who just try to let me down, but just don't think about the negative sides and try to be positive and do what you like. And as your tagline says, Dil ki suno. So I would even rather say that, ki dil ki suno, और जो दिल कर रहा है सिर्फ वो करो, दुनिया की सुनने की जरूरत ही नहीं है।
That is a perfect note to end on, right, Aniket?
Thank you, Sakshi, for that proper ending note. Could definitely like that. And to our viewers, choose a hobby if you don't have one. और दिल की सुनो, कोई ना कोई हॉबी जरूर आपके दिमाग में पिंग कर रही होगी कि दिस इज द टाइम टू परस्यू इट। अच्छे से परस्यू करो, मूव इट, पकड़ो उसको अच्छे से और वेंट ऑन विद इट। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग। बी बैक नेक्स्ट वीक एट 6। थैंक यू सो मच। बाय बाय। Thank you, Sakshi.
Thank you, bye.